Alright, good evening, Miss Mela. Thank you very much for the time that given to me. I am Nimadesh Yunika Santi with MPM 1893. So now I would like to explain about my material with the title The Use of YouTube as a Media to Improve English Vocabulary. Alright, so in this presentation, there are 3 points that I would like to explain to you. First is introduction, second is main discussion, and the last is the conclusion. First is introduction. Part 1 is background of the topic. Internet is a worldwide network of computers. It supports human communication via online in many different locations. Besides make us able to communicate in many different locations, Internet has also many other positive impact in many aspects of human life, and one of them is in education fields. The Internet helps students to find many material or video that related to their study. It is give them a lot of information. Other thing that affected by the internet is the language. Like the internet makes the language different from before. Like the word that used for communication have shortened considerably, which is this is good and more efficient for the people because it's not take a lot of time to typing or send a message. As we know, internet make human life is more easy, so that's why this presentation will focus only on the positive impact of internet, especially in English languages. Next is the impact of internet in general. Before I explain more detail about the positive impact of internet in English language, I will explain about the impact of internet in general, like the positive and also the negative impact of internet. First, about the positive impact of internet. The internet has played a huge role in making life easier for many things. Like the example, first is the internet provides great opportunities to improve the quality of education. The internet lets students access lecture online and refer to the relevant study material in various multimedia formats. So this is mean the internet give the student a lot of information that they needed that relate to their study. Second is boost businesses. Like the internet is give a lot of reference for the business people, so it is help them to boost their business, like making accurate statistics. Next is smoothen communications. This is mean able to communicate in different location without any limitation. Like we able to communicate in many different locations and without any problem or limitations. Next, about the positive impact of internet. Even makes human life easier, internet also give a bad impact for people. Like example, first is internet addiction. Poorly control using internet and give a bad impact for the people's health. Like we just focus on when we just focus on the internet and also looking for the gadget every time, so it give a bad health for our life, like in our eyes and also our mental health. Next is information overload. It is too much information can bring us stressful, like because of internet provide a lot of information, so it makes us sometimes confusing which the information is good or not, so it is sometimes makes us more stressful. Next is negative effect on social relationship, like do not want to mingle with society. So when internet provide us everything, we forget about our social life. So that's why the internet give a bad impact for social relationship. Alright, next is the main discussion about the positive impact of internet to the English language. So in here, I choose one of the internet setting that I will focus on is in YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing services where user can watch, like, share, comment, and upload their own videos. The YouTube service can be accessed on PC, laptop, tablet, and also via mobile phone. YouTube is a free-to-use service and can be a great space for teens to discover things they like. And also YouTube is a great place to discover new things, learn and get entertained. So next is about the English development in YouTube. As I explained before, that internet gives some impact to the language, and along with the development of technology and internet, language also develop, especially English languages. English development is the process of English language being developed. Many videos available in YouTube that related to the English language development, and the example of them is YouTube video. It's a podcast video. Podcast is a series of spoken word audio episode that all of focus on particular topic or themes. Podcast can be a great way to start learning English language. One of them is learn about English language development. The example of English language development that found in YouTube podcast video is the use of slang word, taboo word, and also abbreviations. Alright, so here is some of the example that I found in YouTube about English development, like the slang word. First is the night owl, and also freestyle, crow log, word of mouth, and hangout, and swag. So here is some of the slang word, which is the English development example that I found in YouTube video. Alright, next is about how podcast video improve English vocabulary. Podcast is about conversation. In podcast, they usually talk about a topic that is going viral or discuss daily life. So when we listening to them carefully, you will find a new word that you may not understand. But to understand the content of the video, you must look for the meaning of every word that you know understand that you don't understand. So it forces you to look the meaning of that word. So indirectly, it can help to widen your vocabulary in English and also help you to know others new words. So that's why by looking and watch the podcast video carefully and get some new word that will help you to improve your English vocabulary. Alright, the next is the last part about the conclusions. Internet give a lot of positive impact to human daily life, such as in internet field. And YouTube is one of the internet setting that give the positive impact to the students. YouTube, which is easy to access, could help to improve English skill by knowing the English development, like the use of slang word is the popular these days. And the more slang word that we found in the internet, then it helps to improve our knowledge about English vocabulary. Alright, that's all for me about my presentation. I do apologize if there are any mistake. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Thank you.